In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted folder in Google Drive. If you've accidentally removed a folder from your drive, don't panic. Google keeps deleted items in a temporary holding area so you can bring them back quickly. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account where the folder lived. This is important because each account has its own drive and trash, and you'll only see the deleted folder in the account it came from. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the left-hand panel and click on Trash. This is where Google stores items you've deleted for a limited time before they're removed automatically. Keep in mind that items in trash aren't gone right away, but they aren't permanent either. After a set retention period, often around 30 days, Google will automatically clear them. If the folder was permanently deleted already, it won't be restorable from here. Inside the trash, find the folder you want to bring back. Click once on the folder to select it. A single click highlights it without opening it, which is exactly what we want here. When the folder is selected, look to the top toolbar in Drive. You'll see two key options: permanently delete, which erases the item right away, and restore, which puts it back into your drive. Go ahead and click on Restore. Google Drive will confirm the action and begin placing the folder back where it belongs. In most cases, the folder returns to its original location in your drive just as it was before you deleted it. If that original parent location has been removed or no longer exists, Drive typically places the folder in My Drive so you can easily find it. That's really all there is to it. You log in, head to Trash, select the folder, and choose Restore. It's a simple process designed to save you when mistakes happen. A quick note: if you're using a work or school account, your organization's policies might affect how long items stay in trash, and an administrator may have additional recovery options. But for most personal accounts, the steps you've just learned are all you need. After restoring, it's a good idea to organize the folder where you want it and double-check that the contents look complete. If you see the permanently delete option next to Restore, be careful not to click it unless you're absolutely sure you no longer need the folder. And that's it, your folder should now be back in your Google Drive and ready to use.